I've been a caddy for over 33 years. I've caddied for Arnold, I've caddied for Jack. After watching a lot of professionals putt, yeah, they all have a great stroke, but a good putter's got the right weight, right balance, and that's why I created this. Hi, I'm Bud North from Surdrop Putter Company, and today we're here at the Preserve at Verde Golf Club in beautiful South Carolina. It's where the home of the BMW Tour Championship is. I had the opportunity to caddy for a lot of professionals and a lot of amateurs, and it's been a learning experience to watch them putt and find out a lot of putters are too light, and that goes from a lot of pros saying that. Not just me. They need a little heavier putter, and so I made one that weighs 357 grams and milled 3 degrees, made out of a 6160 aluminum. Putter is face balanced, so it doesn't push the ball or hook the ball. It has a soft feel but a solid roll. A lot of pros have told me that they love the weight. And I'd seen a few college logo putters out that I just didn't think they were that good, and so I went and worked to build a professional putter that would compete with the big boys and put a college logo on it, a corporate logo on it. And I'm holding right now an Alabama putter that if you're an Alabama fan, or Georgia fan, or Tennessee, or Notre Dame, or Ohio State, then you have an emotional attachment to that school. And to have a putter that is good as any out here, it has to have a good feel and a solid roll. And this is what we've created. One thing's important, that you trust the putter in your hand. If you have confidence in that, then you're going to use it and make more putts. The best part about this putter that I like, and a lot of people like, is being personalized. You can have your favorite college, corporation, or heck, you can even have your own name. And now we go to the bottom, and you're going to see a beautiful inlaid medallion. This could be your favorite college logo or your favorite corporate logo. After hundreds and hundreds of people using this grip, this is the perfect grip. And as you can see, it can be your college, corporation. We put in your name on here, and I can even put your individual name on the grip. So when you put it all together with the grip and the putter head, you got a beautiful, beautiful putter. Boy, that feels good. And the best part, this is not just a promotional item. It's a real professional, functional putter to be used. And so far, people love it.